Ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what lies in the deepest, darkest corners of the universe? Today, we're going on the ultimate cosmic adventure. A journey to a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. We're diving into the heart of a supermassive black hole. Fasten your seatbelts, because this is going to be a wild ride. Imagine a monster millions, even billions, of times more massive than our sun, lurking at the center of a galaxy. That's a supermassive black hole. From a safe distance, it's a terrifyingly beautiful sight, a perfect sphere of absolute blackness, surrounded by a swirling, superheated disk of gas and dust called the accretion disk. This isn't just a calm whirlpool, it's a chaotic, violent place where matter is accelerated to near the speed of light, glowing brighter than all the stars in the galaxy combined. The friction is so intense that it heats the material to millions of degrees, blasting out powerful jets of energy that can stretch for thousands of light years. This is the last stop for matter before it takes the final plunge. As we approach, the first major boundary we encounter is the event horizon. This is the famous point of no return. It's not a physical surface you can touch, but an invisible boundary in space-time. Once you cross it, the gravitational pull is so immense that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's the ultimate one-way trip. For a supermassive black hole, the crossing is surprisingly gentle. Unlike smaller, stellar mass black holes that would tear you apart with their tidal forces, a supermassive one has a much larger event horizon. The gravitational difference between your head and your feet is so small that you can float across the boundary without even noticing. It's a peaceful, silent entry into the abyss. You could look back and see the entire history of the universe playing out in fast forward, as time outside speeds up relative to you. But for anyone watching from the outside, your image would appear to freeze at the event horizon, slowly fading and redshifting over an infinite amount of time. You'd become a permanent, frozen ghost on the edge of forever. Now we're inside. Welcome to the interior of a black hole. Everything is strange. The roles of space and time have swapped. The direction we used to call forward is no longer a choice. The only direction you can move is towards the center, towards the singularity. It's not a direction in space anymore. It's a direction in time. Just as we can only move forward into the future inside a black hole, you can only move towards the singularity. All paths, all possible futures, lead to that one single point. Looking up or down, you wouldn't see blackness. You'd see the light from the outside universe, distorted and warped into a bright band all around you. It's like being inside a strange, one-way bubble where the only way out is down. As we continue our descent, the gravitational forces start to build. This is where things get really intense. The tidal forces, which were so gentle at the event horizon, now become monstrous. This is the process known as spaghettification. The part of our ship closer to the singularity is being pulled with unimaginably more force than the part farther away. Our vessel, and everything in it, is being stretched longer and squeezed thinner, like a piece of spaghetti. The atoms themselves are pulled apart. We are being unraveled, strand by strand, by the very fabric of space-time. It's a process of complete and utter disintegration, a return to our most fundamental particles. It's not a fiery explosion, but a quiet, powerful unmaking. So, where are we all heading? We're all being pulled toward the grand finale, the singularity. What is the singularity? Honestly, science doesn't have a definitive answer. Our current theories, like Einstein's general relativity, break down at this point. They predict a point of infinite density and zero volume, a place where all the mass of the black hole is crushed into an infinitely small point. It's a tear in the fabric of space-time itself, but most physicists believe this infinity is a sign that our theories are incomplete. We need a new theory, a theory of quantum gravity, to truly understand what happens here. Some theories suggest the singularity isn't a point at all. Perhaps it's a ringularity in a rotating black hole, a one-dimensional ring you could theoretically pass through. Other, more exotic ideas propose that a singularity could be a gateway to another universe, a white hole spewing matter out on the other side, or even a bridge to another point in our own universe, a wormhole? Could a black hole be a cosmic recycling plant, a cosmic parent giving birth to new universes? We are now venturing into the realm of pure speculation, the frontier of theoretical physics. The singularity represents not just the end of our journey, but the end of our understanding. Our journey ends here, at the heart of mystery. We've traveled from the dazzling chaos of the accretion disk, across the silent point of no return, and into the crushing embrace of spaghettification, all the way to the theoretical edge of reality itself. The singularity, it's a place that defies our imagination and challenges the very limits of science. What we do know is that black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are fundamental engines of the universe. They shape galaxies, create brilliant quasars, and hold the keys to understanding gravity, space, and time. They are the ultimate cosmic enigma. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember these hidden giants. Remember the incredible journey we took today, to the one place in the universe from which there is no escape, a place of both ultimate destruction and infinite possibility. Thanks for joining this incredible expedition. If you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments what cosmic mystery you want to explore next. Until then, keep looking up.